I'm Robin the Sudoku guy. Here we are again, and this is tutorial number 51, and it's called the chain of pairs. And sometimes when you're doing a really advanced puzzle, you suddenly see all these matching pairs. There's a little trick you can use to help you get a new number, and this is how it works. In this particular case, it's matching pairs with 1 and 2. If I start over here, for example, and work our way around, or start here and work our way around, you can do almost a circle. If this is a 1, this is a 2. If that's a 2, that's a 1. If that's a 1, that's a 2. If that's a 2, that's a 1. If that's a 1, this is a 2. Okay? So we have a 2 and a 1, which is great. That's what you're looking for. But now let's say it was a 2 here. This is a 2, this is a 1. This is a 1, this is a 2. If this is a 2, this is a 1. If this is a 2, that was a 1. That becomes a 2, this becomes a 1. Whatever you do, you could be one or the other. But here is the trick. If you use coloring and you finish up with 2 different colors here, now you're on the right track. I'll show you. Let's take we will make this one a blue. This one will be a red. This one will be a blue. This one will be a red. This one will be a blue. And this one will be a red. So let's put them to reds now. If this one's a red, if this one's a red, this was a red. This one's a blue. This becomes a red. And that blue, makes this a red, and now we come back to blue, and you finish up with a red and a blue in that position. And this is so valuable, because if you look at it this way, see this cell here, that cell can see this cell and that cell. If this is a 2, that 2 goes. If this is a 1, that 1 goes. But if this is a 2, that 1 goes. If this is a 1, that 1 goes. And if this is a 2, that 2 goes. No matter which one it is, if this is a 1 or a 2, or if this is a 1 or a 2, it turns out that those two, that 1 and 2, will always be gone. So you can eliminate those two numbers, little numbers, and you finish up with a big 3. Very, very, very handy to know. I'll make it a big black 3. Okay, so let's revise very quickly. By using the coloring system, you find out there's 2 colors here. This cell can see this one, this cell can see this one. If this is a 1, it will get rid of the 1 there. If this is a 2, we'll get rid of the 2 there. Vice versa, same here, because they can see each other, and you finish up with a new number, a 3. That's it. Bye for now.